Welcome to this maintenance engineering course video session, and the course code is ME6012, which is an elective course for the mechanical engineering students for the regulation 2013. So in this video session, we will be studying about Unit 2, that is maintenance policies, preventive maintenance, and that will be seeing in detail about the maintenance categories in which we'll be studying this planned maintenance. So the objective of studying this maintenance engineering course is to enable the student to understand the principles, functions and practices adopted in industry for the successful management of maintenance activities, and to explain the different maintenance categories like preventive maintenance, condition monitoring and repair of machine elements, and to illustrate some of the simple instruments used for condition monitoring in industry. And the syllabus for this Unit 2, the maintenance policies and preventive maintenance, are maintenance categories, comparative merits of each category, preventive maintenance, maintenance schedules, repair cycle, principles and methods of lubrication, and TPM. So these are all the textbooks and reference books for this maintenance engineering course. And the outcomes on completion of this maintenance engineering course. So the students on completion of this course will be able to apply the concept and principle of maintenance processes based on the industrial configuration from Unit 1, and from Unit 2 the students will be able to analyze the maintenance categories, preventive maintenance, methods of lubrication and TPM. And from Unit 3 the students will be able to illustrate appropriate condition monitoring techniques, including vibration, thermal, and lubricant analysis. And from Unit 4, the students would be able to analyze the various repair methods for basic machine elements. And from Unit 5, the students will be able to analyze the various repair methods for material handling equipments. So coming to the objectives of maintenance, to increase functional reliability of the production facilities, to maximize the useful life of the equipment, and the production capacity to be at the maximum from the given equipment, and to minimize the total production cost, and to minimize the frequency of interruption in production by reducing breakdowns, and to enhance the safety of the manpower, which is very, very important objective. And it also helps to identify the causes for the failures. Example, whether the failure is due to design defect or the wear of the equipment or any other failure. So it also helps in deciding what type of maintenance and maintenance decisions has to be taken out, like replacing and repair activities. And it also provides necessary information regarding the life and reliability of the equipment. Also, it helps the tool spare parts management and got initiated. So these are all the maintenance objectives: maximizing production, minimizing energy usage, optimizing useful life of the equipment, providing budgetary control, optimizing resources utilization, reducing breakdowns, reduce downtime, improving equipment efficiency, improving inventory control, implementing cost reduction. And these are all the maintenance categories. And maintenance, you have this two types: planned maintenance, unplanned maintenance. In unplanned maintenance, you have emergency maintenance. In planned maintenance, you have this categories: preventive maintenance, and the second category is corrective maintenance and predictive maintenance. And this preventive maintenance again is classified into running maintenance, shutdown maintenance, scheduled maintenance. And in planned maintenance, you have this corrective maintenance that has been divided again into breakdown maintenance and shutdown maintenance. So introduction to planned maintenance. So in planned maintenance, normally the maintenance actions are carried out with some forethoughts, that is prior planning. Without any prior planning, the maintenance cannot be carried out. Record keeping and control action. So this plant maintenance is classified into three, that is preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, and predictive maintenance. So preventive maintenance, normally it's based on the principle of prevention is better than cure. And it also sets of activities that are performed on the plant equipment, machinery, and systems before any failure occurs, so as to eliminate degradation or prevention of the operation conditions of the equipments. And this maintenance carried out at predetermined intervals or according to prescribed criteria, that intention of reducing the probability of failure, so as to make the system or the equipments or the machines run in a good condition. So preventive maintenance are of three types, that is running maintenance, scheduled maintenance, and shutdown maintenance, which we'll be studying in the further slides. So what is running maintenance? So this running maintenance is nothing but it includes the maintenance activities are carried out while the machine or equipment isn't running. For example, lubrication, the components, adjustment of nuts, screws, lightening of loose nuts and bolts, etc. And scheduled maintenance is a type of maintenance carried out with proper schedule to an object or items or equipments. So planned maintenance is a scheduled service visit which has been carried out by a competent or a suitable agent, so as to ensure an item or an equipment or a system is operating correctly or it's functioning correctly, in order to avoid this breakdown and downtime and unscheduled breakdown and downtime. So a good example is the car maintenance. So here, after certain kilometers or miles, the oil should be changed, or the parts or any components renewal can be carried out. So here in this we have this shutdown maintenance. This preventive maintenance, we have this shutdown maintenance. So this shutdown maintenance is nothing but it is a set of preventive maintenance activities which are carried out when the production line is in total stoppage situation. That is when the machines and the production unit and entire unit is in idle condition. So these are performed generally mostly after 3 or 6 months of the equipment operations. So this involves inspection of planned items which are known or suspected to occur. So this is what is shutdown maintenance is. And here, introduction to corrective maintenance. So that comes under here planned maintenance. So what is corrective maintenance? So in this type, actions such as repair, replacement, or restore will be carried out after the occurrence of a failure, in order to eliminate the source of this failure or reduce the frequency of its occurrence. So it also includes different types of actions like adjustment of redesign equipments, like that. That is correcting. The difference between corrective maintenance and the preventive maintenance is that in corrective maintenance, failure should occur before any corrective action is taken. And the preventive maintenance is preventing the failures or preventing the defects of the equipments. So normally this corrective maintenance is classified into two types, that is breakdown maintenance and shutdown maintenance. So here you have this corrective maintenance and breakdown maintenance and shutdown. So corrective maintenance is classified further as breakdown maintenance and shutdown maintenance. So that we'll be seeing in this video session. So breakdown maintenance. So breakdown maintenance is nothing but it is an emergency based policy in which the plant or equipment is operated until it fails, and then it is brought back into a running condition by repair. So that is breakdown maintenance. So during this breakdown maintenance, the machines and this production, everything will be in an idle condition. So here the maintenance staff locate any mechanical or electrical or any other fault will be corrected or will be rectified by the service persons immediately. And this type of a breakdown maintenance is normally it's feasible for small factories where few types of equipments are present, and the simple machine and equipments are present and does not require any specialist. And when sudden failure does not cause any serious financial loss, so in that case, the small factories will go for this breakdown maintenance. And coming to the predictive maintenance, see, the name itself implies predictive. That is, the failure will be predicted before it occurs, and that the failure, the causes for the root cause for the failures will be identified by symptoms and eliminating those causes before that may rise into extensive damage of the certain particular equipments. So this is a type of maintenance normally performed continuously or at intervals. So according to the requirements and according to the monitoring condition of the system. And this is also called as a condition-based maintenance. So with this, we come to an end with this video session of the second unit of maintenance engineering, categories of maintenance. Thank you and have a great day.